Page 36, Promenade. A promenade is like a procession or a walking, music to walk by. Okay. At the top of the page, they give you a warm-up. I don't like warm-ups like that. You can do that if you want. I just want to talk about the piece. When I first sit down to start practicing of a day, I have certain routine I go through to warm up. But I don't use specific warm-ups on pieces. I just do the piece. You do it any way you want. You want to do the warm-up? Go right ahead. You're just doing the chords that we've been studying. Now let's look Promenade over. It's 4 lines long. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time. We got quarter notes and half rests, whole notes. All right, we can deal with all that. I'm going to take kind of both hands together because in this piece you're only playing one hand at a time for the most part. So the right hand starts with 5th finger or little finger on G, so we're still in C position. We're not always going to be in C position, so just check it. And the left hand is thumb on G, so we're in C position here. And they're just quarter notes. There's no D. See, they skipped that note. And the left hand is here, and there's no D. And then you get the C chords and the G7 chord. Okay, the second line is almost the same except for the chords. You get a. Okay, and then the third line, the left hand gets most of this. That's nice. This fun. Good workout for the left hand. Hold that whole note down at the end of the line as you play the G7 chord. So then you got all the notes down. Then you lift both hands together and go on. Okay, and the last measure at the bottom, you're holding the C down as you play the C chord on them. And then both hands up. So you get the notes okay, and then the rhythm's not a problem. As far as the articulation goes, you can just slur this like they're saying. Connect. Lift up here. You can't connect the chords, but do the best you can. So you add in the slurs, and then when you're ready, you can try the dynamics. F at the beginning is forte, which means loud, and you'll have to decide what loud is. Don't get super loud, just loud. And it's both hands here. There's no real melody to speak of, so you just, either that or it's all melody, I don't know. That's just it. And then on the third line down, it's MF, or moderately loud. You come down a little bit. You're not quite so loud anymore. And then on the last line, you back up to loud. Yeah. Now for practice, I would recommend on the last 2 lines, and the last measure of each, when you're playing the hands together, the melody note in the third line would be the left hand. The whole note, it's going to be whatever the dynamic is, make the chord soft. Just for practice. So we hear that all the way through. And the last line, it's the C. Play that out and play the left hand soft. Just for practice. Speed, it's up to you on how fast you want to walk. It's a promenade. Just left, right, somewhere in there. But, yeah. Let's play it together slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'm going to play both hands about the same. I'll give us 4 counts, just slowly together, just to make sure you got the right notes going and the rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go.